সবাই জেন্ডার সবাই সবাই
So first sit here or have a visit. Sit here. Here we have long journey.
Come to visit and see anything what you like, what you want,
Yes.
anything.
You can do for us. You can be here. কি শিখাইছি ঘোরাতে
হ্যাঁ আমাদের যে পরিবর্তিত বুঝতে হ্যাঁ
So first, I was giving the thanks that you are here. You are trying to do something for the betterment of the Muslim Ummah in the world and the Muslims of the poor country of Bangladesh. So what we are doing, you are doing in the name of your father and mother and everybody. We are doing it for the name of my father.
Yes.
My father has died. He was a school teacher. After that, we are trying to do something for future. The Sadhya Jariya, if something we can achieve for us, for the area, and for the father. So our question, this organization is for the in the name of our dedicated for our father, who was 5 years back or 6 years back who died. So to do something, keeping in the mind my father, focusing for the Islam and the Muslim. So we are trying to do something. Let's have a visit first.
আমি তো একটা মিটিং দেখা তো ভীষণ খারাপ কথা